guys, welcome to the channel. It's Cassie here. Hello. I'm also here with Jackson and Coley. They're sitting over here. Hi, baby boy, being cute little button boys. So I'm really excited today. Hang on, I just gotta move this little baby because I'm trying for the first time ever, like Korean food from like a Korean restaurant, and I've never had like authentic or real Korean food other than like ramen noodles, so like packaged ramen noodles. So I'm pretty excited to try. Ooh, look at, I got a thing of ramen. That's exciting. Oh, it's really hot. I hope it's not too hot. It smells good. Might go get like a bowl to put this in. Maybe I should have opened it first. They gave me like all this silverware because they probably thought I was eating with a bunch of people, but no, it's just me. I was just excited. And I also got some, let's see what this is. I don't really remember. Chicken of some sort. And I guess it came with rice and broccoli. Sticky rice. Oh my gosh, what did I get? Dumplings. Ooh, dumplings. Yum, 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 yum. And kimchi fried rice. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go get a plate for all this food. Be right back. I'm worried that the ramen's gonna be like really hot. Got a good spice. I like it. It's not too spicy, but like definitely good. Can't see the. Try a dumpling now. And whatever sauce this is, I'm not sure. It just said Korean sauce, so I guess that's what it is. Well, that is good. I'm glad I sized up and got 10. Try the chicken. Egg. Kimchi fried rice. I've never had kimchi fried rice, but it looks delicious. Yummy. I love cabbage. What is it, baby boys? This is gonna take so long for it to cool out. I think I should put this like in a different bowl or something. Yeah, I'm gonna go get one more bowl for that. Actually, I got a plate. Yes, it's a Mickey and Minnie plate. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yeah. Okay. Now it'll cool down over there. I don't even know where to start with this. Mmm, so good. I think I'm gonna like try having it with the rice. Get a rice and oh my gosh, it's sticking together. Dip, dip. Put it on top of the rice spoon. Stay, don't fall off on. Oh, it's gonna fall off on me. Stay. Yum. Mmm. Oh, what is it, baby? Jackson, hello. Hello, my name is Jackson. You're eyeing my food. I already fed you right before I went to eat. Yes. He's like, but I didn't get this kind of food, Mommy. Not yet, baby boy. Not yet. Sorry about that. Baby problems, you know. Mmm. Maybe I should do another dumpling and rice. Mmm. I really like these dumplings. They're like so good. I want to have the egg now. An egg rice taco? I think so. If I can. So good. Another piece of chicken. Maybe I should have chicken with rice. Yeah, I should. So much cabbage on that one. It was really yummy, but it was so hot at first. I was scared I was going to burn my tongue and then not be able to taste anything. I'm going to spread it out so that doesn't happen again. Cool down, cool down. Cool down, rice. There. Nice and spread out. Noodles cooling down. They're still so hot. Oh my goodness. Have another dumpling. It's all flattened out. What is it? Say hi, everyone. It's me, Cole. Hiccup. Oh, Cole's got the hiccups. Just looking at the food gave him hiccups. Oh, what is all this, Mama? Does it look yummy? Does that look yummy? Whoa, it's going for it. You can't have this yet. I said not yet, Cole. Very soon. I think I'm going to try giving them bananas this week. Huh. You're almost 4 months. Maybe. I think so. Scarlett did. Get on my chopsticks, chicken. I'm gonna start moving next week. Yep, so that's a bummer. I wasn't able to find another apartment yet, so I'm moving in with my mom for now until I find a place. I really didn't want to have to do that. I feel like such a bum. Why are you so Grunty McGrunter over there. But hopefully the apartment living with my mom will only be a short time, you know? There are some positives to it, you know, like it'll be cheaper. When she babysits, I don't have to drive anywhere because she's already there, so there's that. Maybe that'll keep him entertained for a few minutes. It's pretty tricky eating with the babies, you know? They're so needy. He's working out so hard, that's why he keeps grunting. He's trying to roll over. You can do it! You can do it! It's like I got the hiccups, I'm struggling. Are you saying, come on, cold? Oh, Coley's just getting so upset. Let me... What's the matter? Huh? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? I just can't stop kissing him. That usually will make him laugh, but it's not working right now. How? How come? My little Coley. He is a roly, and he's so roly. Who's that little boy? Do you see right over here? Look. Oh, he won't look. He won't look. He sometimes looks and he smiles. He goes, oh, hey, that's my mama. Who's my mama kissing? Not me. It is me. I'm so confused. You're so drooly. Why are you such a drooler? He's the most drooly baby. Like, is he teething already? I don't know. It's getting really hot in my apartment. I leave the AC off for like 20 minutes and it's like, it's not even that hot out, I don't think. Or it's just because I'm eating. I get hot when I eat. I stabbed it. Mmm. Did I set the focus to right there? Yes. Oops. Okay. I'm starting to get full, I think. Look, I still have so much fried rice to go. It was a big thing of rice, though, in my defense. It said there was supposed to be ham in here, but I don't taste any ham. My string was stuck in your toes, huh, Cody? You go play with your brother now? No, did you like some mommy hug? Oh my goodness, Jackson, why do you just stick your tongue out like that? He just stuck his tongue like... I've never seen him do that. Sorry. I will contain myself. I'm getting full and I don't know why. Okay, I haven't even eaten my ramen yet. Holy moly. These noodles are so slippery. hello, 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 my little monkey boy. My little monkey boy. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. He's such a little doopy doopy doo. I don't know what I say, but I say everything. Whoa. Whoa, mommy. He's like, whoa, mama. Whoa. Hello. Hello, hello. Why are you so sad now? Huh? I'm not giving you my noodles. Stop eyeing my noodles. You want to show the people how you can stick your tongue out? Go. See, they're both gonna start, and then I lose my mind. Okay, hey, I'm back, and now I'm ready to finish eating. The babies were going crazy, so yeah, I made them some bottles. Might have to stop again and give them their bubbas, because I didn't give them to them because they stopped crying as soon as I repositioned them. I think they might be hungry because they hear me eating, and then they start. Oh yeah, Jackson? I wish these noodles were longer. Oh no. 1 second, okay, I'm back again. Sorry about that. I gave them, I dipped their binkies in this chicken sauce. They seem to be liking it, so we're gonna go with it. I do like this ramen. It's got a good flavor. And it's spicy, but not too spicy. Should I eat the egg? Oh my gosh, it's flopping all over the place. The egg is really spicy tasting for some reason. What's the matter, Jack Jack? Oh my gosh. I'm right here. Okay. Oh, hang on a second. I was almost gonna go for it. What's the matter, Cola Cola? What is the matter? You want more chicken wing? Okay, now I'm gonna finish this because I only got a little bit of ramen left. Hope it doesn't spill. Am I about to embarrass myself more? Yes, probably. All done with the ramen. That was good. I'm gonna have the last chicken. Oh, really? Chicken, chicken. Baby's crying. I'm getting so full, you guys. Should I just save this rice? Or should I just go for it and finish it? think I'm gonna stop. Pretty cool. So I ate most of my meal. This is really not that much rice compared to how much rice it came with. I don't think. This thing was like overflowing with rice. So I'm gonna put it back in here. Let's compare. Maybe I didn't eat that much of it. Okay, so I ate a good amount. See? And this is empty. This one is empty. And this one, actually this one still has plain rice and broccoli in it. So I'll probably save that because I can give it to Scarlett with a dinner. Throw that one away. These are going to go in the fridge. Don't throw it away. I'll wash it and save it because that's a good container. All right, well, anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. My first time having Korean food that's not packaged ramen. It was a good experience. I stayed pretty basic, I think, so next time maybe I'll like venture out and get something a little more interesting. But until then, I'm gonna say it's good. I will post another video in a few days, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.